Oh, that's a baby one.
Yeah, it's a pretty small one.
The Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail is a scenic drive just outside of Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Depending on your pace, it's going to take you about 3 hours to complete. Whenever we are in the Gatlinburg Pigeon Forge area, we like to get up early on one of the mornings and go take on this route to see the sunrise over the mountains and see what the animals are out doing. So I'll stop talking now and let's sit back and enjoy the views along this route. All right, that's the motor trail. We hope you like, subscribe, and we'll see you out there getting fresh air.